The odds might be stacked against him, but he's gonna find a way.
Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you.
My name is Nowroozi,
I'm Rachael Nowroozi.
and we're from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We just celebrated our 16th wedding anniversary, and we have 2 children, an 11-year-old daughter named Mina, and a 3.5-year-old son named Vincent. Right after Vincent turned 3 months old, we started to notice that he had a very slight left head tilt, and his control of his head and neck seemed to be regressing slightly from what it had been. We saw our primary pediatrician and expressed those concerns. She measured the circumference of his head and became alarmed because his head circumference had drastically increased from the last time it was measured at his 2-month well check appointment. Our primary pediatrician wanted Vincent to follow up with a neurologist at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, and they wanted us to immediately go to the ER to have an MRI.
The resident came in and just said, you know, your son has masses and is gonna have a surgery in the morning to try to remove them. So it was just straight panic at that point.
About a week after his surgery, we received the pathology results back, and they told us that his tumor was called atypical teratoid rhabdoid tumors, and that it was an extremely aggressive brain cancer that occurred mostly in children under the age of 3. We also immediately were offered to only take him home on palliative care because the treatment for the brain cancer that he had is so extremely aggressive and grueling that many kids don't survive it or come out with significant deficits.
And they pretty much said, just, you know, one of your best options would be just to take him home and love him. I think we wanted to at least get the kid a fighting chance, so we went for the treatment option.
Vincent had a very, very rare adverse reaction to one of the chemotherapy drugs that put him into acute liver failure within 12 hours after receiving it, and his organs were just starting to shut down one by one. That was very hard to go through. He did recover, thankfully. It was really a miracle, and it was amazing. We fought and advocated to get access to an experimental drug. This drug only came in pill form, so we had to teach Vincent how to swallow pills at 2.5 years old. He's now been on that treatment protocol for 14 months successfully. He has global developmental delays as a result of the surgeries and all of the toxic treatment that he had to endure.
The odds might be stacked against him, but he's gonna find a way.
So we do have a GoFundMe account. It is Vincent the Conqueror. We started that in the beginning of this journey, and it's been incredibly helpful to us to be able to make ends meet.
It's okay, sweetie.
Mina was only 7 when Vincent was diagnosed, and she is amazing. She loves Vincent so much.
Turn the page.
Turn the page.
Food.
He doesn't really understand what he's going through. Like, he might not feel great, but he always has a smile on his face.
Bless you.
Vincent and Mina are just both amazing kids. They have an incredible bond with each other, and you know, they really are my heroes.
What a beautiful family you guys have. I'm crying happy tears, not sad, I promise. Oh, gosh, sorry, I'm crying. What a gift his life is to all of us. Frank, you have a big surprise for this amazing family. Please share it with them.
Thank you, Rachel. You guys, you know, I've been talking to you guys for a little bit, and I have the most amazing news for your family today. My little foundation finds angels on earth and warriors and miracles, and Vincent is all of that. And his sister is amazing, always helping you. What you guys have done is just proves to the world what's important. We are so excited at Baking Memories because we sold enough cookies last year to give you guys a trip to every single amusement park in the state of Florida. Disney World, Universal Studios, Legoland. We are going to fly you guys down for a whole week, and you guys are going to go to the front of every line, Rachel, in every single park for a week because of these miraculous cookies.
That's incredible.